Hello, this is Life Less Ordinary. We are back. I am Aisha Zamidar and
आई एम नवीद फारूकी वो बातें तेरी चैनल से नवीद फारूकी का आपको आदाब आज हम हाजिर आयशा व्हाट आर वी डूइंग टुडे
today we are talking about something which involves us tremendously. Something we eat with, sleep with, breathe with.
वाओ something very nicely said something we eat with something we sleep with something we breathe with ये तो बड़ी खतरनाक कोई चीज लग रही है मुझे
It's social media.
wow social media so what about social media Aisha
We eat it, we sleep with it, we breathe it. Bhai, the thing is that social media came into our life by chance.
Not by
and,
choice, right?
Not by choice. And it has just consumed us.
Absolutely.
All over the world, not only Pakistan,
Yeah.
but all over the world. And even if we want to detach ourselves from it, unfortunately, we are not being able to.
एब्सोल्युटली एंड आई रिमेंबर आयशा ये सोशल मीडिया जो है ना ये हमारी ज़िंदगियों में फर्स्ट टाइम आई यूज्ड इट व्हेन आई वाज स्टडीइंग इन यूनिवर्सिटी इट्स यूज्ड टू कॉल अमेरिका ऑनलाइन करके एक चैटिंग प्रोग्राम था जहाँ से मैंने पहली दफ़ा देखा था ईमेल के बाद 1992-93 में मैंने ईमेल यूज़ की और शायद 95 में अमेरिका ऑनलाइन की
And
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट
everybody used to have the AOL.com wala tha na.
ईमेल एड्रेस उसके तहत आप करते थे MSN भी आया था माइक्रोसॉफ्ट नेटवर्क का एक प्रोग्राम था जिससे चैटिंग होती थी फिर उसके बाद MIRC आया जो कि यूनिक्स बेस्ड
पर नवीद ये सब कुछ हमारे कंप्यूटर डेस्कटॉप तक रहता था what has consumed us is when our cellular phone ended up becoming our workplace.
दैट एंड आई वांट यू टू टॉक अबाउट इट पहले मैं थोड़ा सा बता दूं MIRC का उस ज़माने में वो मोडेम PC से यूज़ करते थे मोडेम्स भी हमारे यूज़ होते थे कनेक्शन होता डायल अप नेटवर्क का जो कनेक्शन होता था
Yes,
वो
yes.
बैठ कर हम फ़ोन को यूज़
It's
करते
going
थे
in my head.
एंड MIRC आया फिर ICQ आया फिर उसके बाद हमारा ऑर्किट आया ऑर्किट के बाद फेसबुक आया अर्ली 2000 एंड दिस इज़ वेयर सोशल मीडिया started to pick up please go ahead you were telling me
But
something
you see, like Facebook, like you said, came around
early 2000s.
Early 2000. Now, before Facebook came around, we were using a cell phone, and we had a pretty sizable cell phone. And if you remember, do you remember like Wall Street movie, जिसके अंदर
Michael Douglas,
कितना
yeah.
बड़ा उसने है ना जाके पकड़ा हुआ है. उसके
पाकिस्तान
बाद-
में भी आए थे वो इंस्टा फोन के इतने बड़े
हाँ
बड़े
हाँ वो इंस्टा फोन के आते थे और वो जो जिसके पास सबसे बड़ी गाड़ी होती थी उसके पास वो सबसे बड़ा फोन होता था.
Yeah. नहीं, और एक तुम्हें पता है वो उससे पहले क्रेडल वाले भी आए थे मोबाइल फोन द एक्चुअल क्रेडल यू वुड कैरी इट विद
Yeah, those are the ones that back in the 1970s.
Yeah.
And I remember, like, you know, there was like a box,
Yeah,
like it would
yeah.
be like a box that goes with the big Saab
Yeah.
and is like put out there, and then Piche Kalashnikov. So there it was quite a, but it's a filmy scene.
Yeah.
But that filmy scene and that all the drama behind it kind of like fizzled out as the cellular phone became smaller and smaller and smaller. And then the phenomena of the iPhone came around.
Before that, do you remember Sony Ericsson started it? If you no, not Nokia, having the fancy screen and
the flat screen.
Yeah, the flat
screen was yes, you're right.
Yeah.
The flat screen was the first Sony Ericsson had the flat screen. उसमें
तस्वीर ले सकते थे उसके बाद फिर आईफोन आया एंड आईफोन के साथ जब उसकी प्रोडक्ट्स दूसरी आई आईपैड वगैरह तो कमाली तबाही मचनी शुरू हो गई एंड
iPad बाद में आया था ना पहले iPod आया था असल में वो याद है पहले हमारे पास iPod होता था BlackBerry होता था and you know we had our work life and our leisure life separated and it was great now with when the iPhone revolutionized this we ended up getting everything put into one jacket
बिल्कुल
which is great but we did not realize, like what I'm trying to get to, why did something so incredible? I mean, don't get me wrong, Steve Jobs is amazing. He came up with a one shop solution. He came up with something which was that all you need to do is just carry one little thing in your hand and the whole world is with you. That's fabulous. It's like a MasterCard, like,
Yeah.
American Express. It's, that's all you need, and you just leave the house. But we abused it. Humans abused it. Humans abused something which was so profound, such an amazing tool, and they ruined. They abused the tool, and they with their overusage. And how did that happen? I keep wondering about it.
Steve Jobs was crazy guy. He invented lots of good stuff, but you know that he didn't allow his own daughter or children to use iPad or iPhone or even I don't know, iPod की भी नहीं use करने दिया होगा. उसका अपना ये view था. Going back where you started, तो ये सारा सिलसिला चल रहा था. हम लोग we were happy with BlackBerry and BBM, and then there was a parallel thing started, WhatsApp for Android, and then वो चीज़ें आना शुरू हुई. और उसके
I
बाद
remember when WhatsApp came around.
या तो वो BBM में हम लोग बड़े खुश थे. लिमिटेड लोगों के साथ कम्युनिकेशन, लिमिटेड काम से रिलेटेड, या कोई एक दो चार दोस्त होते थे वो BBM में हो जाते थे.
और आपने देखा था कि फेसबुक भी चल रहा था, तो सारी चीजें पैरेलल चल रही थी.
Right.
अभी जो पैरेलल जब एक साथ होना शुरू हो गई, तो होता ये है कि why has it become a menace, is because if you put something down on Facebook, immediately you start getting the same kind of tags on Instagram. Then you get the same kind of tags elsewhere because of the Meta, and they merged everything.
Yeah.
They think that it is great.
Ever since WhatsApp was bought by Facebook and by Meta, which is Meta now, but initially it was bought by Facebook, and then Instagram भी ले लिया, और उन्होंने WhatsApp को भी, सब तीनों चीज़ों को इंटीग्रेट कर दिया आपस में. और इंटीग्रेशन के बाद वो इतना ज़्यादा हो गया कि Facebook तो अब कोई यूज़ भी नहीं करता. लेकिन मैंने देखा आयशा, Facebook लिटरली वो लोग जो हमारे यहाँ पढ़ नहीं सकते इंग्लिश या उर्दू, वो फेसबुक यूज़ कर रहे हैं. मासी ड्राइवर, आपके पास रिक्वेस्ट आ रही होती है, सलीम जो है माली या शमीम मासी और फलाना, ये वो, दे ऑल ऑन फेसबुक. आई मीन, so it has become such a novel and an ordinary thing, as we call it, life less ordinary, that everybody is using it and enjoying it. Some people are abusing it too. So this became a household norm for having a Facebook account, and now Instagram khas taur pe, and then Reels. The revolution is going and getting faster and so rapid.
Yeah, 6 years back, I was told that why don't you just go ahead and advertise on Facebook? Advertisement on Facebook is very good. And then about 3 years back, the whole Instagram hype started off, and Instagram became, and the younger kids, as a matter of fact, say that we don't like Facebook. It's just too ordinary. We prefer Instagram.
Yeah.
Why do you prefer Instagram? I asked my daughter that, and she said, oh, because it's so much faster.
That, but so much also, एक फैड होता है ना बच्चों के लिए, तो उनके लिए फेसबुक इज़ ओल्ड स्कूल मेरे ख्याल से. ख़ास तौर पे जो अभी जो अल्फ़ा जनरेशन और जो मिलेनियल्स हैं, मेरे मे बी फॉर जनरेशन जी के लिए जो बॉर्न हैं 2000 एंड ऑनवर्ड्स, उनके लिए शायद फेसबुक फिर भी होगा, हमारे लिए भी था, लेकिन उनके लिए फेसबुक इज़ अनकूल. नन ऑफ माई चिल्ड्रन आर ऑन uses Facebook. They were on Facebook. They are more into Insta and Snapchat. I think they are very much
into Snapchat and this other thing which is called TikTok.
Oh yes,
oh my God, and that's another. We have to talk about that separately.
टिकटॉक पे तो हम अलग से वीडियो करेंगे, और उस वीडियो में हम न सिर्फ टिकटॉक के लिए बातचीत करेंगे. नाज़रीन, हम लोग आपको एक बड़ी ज़बरदस्त चीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस कराएंगे. उसका नाम है जगह का टिकटॉक चौक. एंड I'm amazed to that, and we will make a video over there as well. It will be part of our talk, and we'll tell you all about it when we're doing that. मैं ये कह रहा, coming back to this social media, if I were to ask you, and are you for it or you're against it?
No, I am completely for social media. I do not have a problem with social media, but I feel that one has to have their limitations and one should use social media in a balanced way. You know, when you they say na, don't get drunk, don't overeat, don't overdo anything,
That
don't
reminds me of Seven Deadly Sins.
that yes, I heard. Yeah, the seven deadly sins, and yes, social media. If you are so right. If you actually go ahead and
इसमें
think
सारे
about
sins आ
it,
जाते हैं.
social media actually triggers all the seven deadly sins.
We will be talking about Seven Deadly Sins too. So we were not gonna
अच्छा,
get
I
into it
wanted
more.
to tell you कि Facebook बनाने वाला जो बंदा है, Mark Zuckerberg, he was a loner. He didn't have friends. He was a tech guy completely,
Oh, yes.
And he created this to have communication. And but if you just for a minute, just go ahead and kind of like dissect this imagery. You are a loner, you are a complete tech person, you really don't get away from your computer, and you want to have social networking. So
That should be unsocial media.
that actually has started to happen with all of us. People, the generation Z is becoming more and more unsocial human wise. They are becoming extremely, all they want to
Unsocial.
do. You'll see a family sitting at in a restaurant. Everybody has their phones. Everybody's going swipe phones. This tick 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 tick.
And that also सब लोग जो है बच्चे and including us, we are becoming unsocial. अब ईद होती है, बकरीद होती है या फिर कोई occasion होती है, all we do is we write a message and most of the messages are forwards, Aisha. They
Just
don't we,
forwards,
yeah,
yeah,
we don't
exactly.
even bother to actually customize the message.
Nobody wants to go out on Eid.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to go out on Eid. Everyone is staying at home, and then they go ahead and then Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. मैं तो खैर अपने Eid Mubaraks जो है ना third day पे देती हूँ.
सही करती हूँ.
Because I have to return the Eid Mubaraks and then I send it. अच्छा, before we wrap up, I just need to talk about an analogy, visual analogy that came to my mind. When the net, when the telephone came around, people were using the telephone. The telephone was invented in the late 1800s or mid 1800s, somewhere around that time, and everyone started having the phone. Around 1910, before the First World War, New York City put a ban on having telephone wires.
Wow.
And I'd like you to share that picture.
Yeah.
And look at the connectivity. These lines are connecting one person to the other. Now imagine the same lines, real time, on the globe right now.
If there were lines, how many lines would that be? पूरा एक web बन जाता, जंगल बन जाता, हाँ?
मतलब कुछ नजर दुनिया ही नहीं
नजर आती, इतना ज़्यादा वो intense और इतना ज़्यादा थिक होता वो तारों का जो वेब होता. अच्छा, एक और चीज़ मैं भी जिक्र करना चाह रहा था बिफोर वी एंड. सॉरी गाइज, इट्स गेटिंग लिटिल लॉन्गर बट इट्स ओके. विद द एडवेंट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया अलॉन्ग विद आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मैंने तो नोट तो सब हर किसी ने ये बात नोट की होगी कि हम अगर आपस में कोई बात करें गाड़ी की, पेट्स की, किसी लोशन की, ऑयल की, तो वो हमारी फीड में आना शुरू हो जाता है जब हम बात करते, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इट हैज़ अ कैमरा or a microphone which listens to it and it gives you that. But
I've gone through that many a time.
Me too. But what blew my mind, and this is something which is, I don't know what's going on, man, because this scared me. And this something I was actually thinking in my head. Okay? Few days ago, I was just thinking, night, ki yaar ye, and then next day I saw relevant reels coming up. And I was like, what? Maybe it was a placebo or it was a fluke, but this is also
I hope it was placebo. I hope it was placebo because I do not want AI getting into my head.
Yeah.
That is one thing that I want to keep sacred to me. And we have to go, to my audience, to our audience, I really want to share this thing that we need to be responsible human beings. We have to remember that this earth is ours. We are humans. We cannot let AI take over. We cannot let our own invention take over.
That's true. And also, guys, must say that with social media, we should not be unsocial. We should not forget our values. We should not forget our loved ones. कम अज कम ईद वाले दिन, कम अज कम फादर्स डे पे, मदर्स डे पे, ओकेजन्स पे, बर्थडेज पे, call your friend, call your loved one, visit them, you know. It's always good.
But having said that, man, I don't really want to bash it that much because with WhatsApp and with Facebook, we do get connectivity a lot as well. We find a lot of our old friends. We connect with them. Our
Absolutely.
pictures are archived. We there are a lot of plus points to it. It's just that dopamine effect that is going overboard and making everybody just go ahead and take those likes, and that's all. Every 2 minutes looking at the phone and checking कि मुझे like आया कि नहीं, that needs to stop. That dopamine effect needs to
But
stop.
see, we are doing that too, right? But this is how it is. Likes and how many views and how many comments and all that. So, but again, guys, this is going to go on, and we need to have a, you know, दरमियाना रास्ता हमने रखना है, मियाना रवि से काम लेना है हर चीज़ में, चाहे वो सोशल मीडिया हो या आपकी अपनी ज़िंदगी हो, आज की ज़िंदगी या कल की ज़िंदगी हो, क्योंकि वो कहते हैं ना ज़िंदगी नहीं मिलेगी दोबारा. So we should live it, experience it, and to the best, to our we live it to the best of our abilities. Aisha, you have to say something?
Totally agree with whatever Naveed said. We have to be more responsible and be, जो कहते हैं ना, ठहराओ. Bring a little bit of patience. And that is what we have to learn it, and we have to practice it on a daily basis. Let's wrap up, darling.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. We hope that you liked our discussion, and we'll see you soon. We'll do another one on TikTok and a talk on WhatsApp audio notes. So we will be doing that too. For now, I'm signing off from Wo Baat Hai Teri, Naveed Farooqi.
Khudafiz, Aisha Zamidar.